The dance for this session is Three Little Birds. This is a 32 count 4-wall. It says newcomer on the step sheet. I'm going to call it beginner. It's choreographed by the Triple X team, Verdonk, Raymond, Sarlemijn, and Darren Bailey. It's to the song Three Little Birds by Bob Marley and the Wailers. So, the fun thing with this, there's no ends in it at all. So we're going to start with a basic step, taking it a diagonal. So we're going to go step together, step, touch, step together, step, touch. But instead of going side to side, we're just going slightly to the right, slightly to the left. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For section 2, we're going to do four step touches back. So step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. For section 3, we're going to do 4 sets of heels, but on the left heel, we're going to turn a quarter left. So right heel, turn heel, right heel, left heel. And then we're going to end section 4 with a press forward step. So we're going to put our right foot forward, we're going to press down, recover right, and press down to our right. And we're going to do the same with our left. Press down, recover, press down, and leave our weight on that foot. So it's kind of a hold step. And that's the end of the dance. So with our basic step going forward to the counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think if they see the clap. They don't see anything about clapping on the step touches, but I tend to do that. So, starting with our basic step forward, with the words. So we're going to go step together, step, touch, step, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Heel, step, turn, step, heel, step, heel. Press, forward, forward, press, and forward. So I'm saying press, press. It's press, recover, press, recover, press. Then we're back to our basic step, but I'm too far forward. So try this again. Wall 3 into wall 4 with our basic. Right together, right, and left together, left, back, right, left, left. Heel, step, turn, step, heel, step, press, recover, press, recover, basic. Right step, right, and left step. Back, right, touch, left, left, touch. Heel, step, turn, step, heel, step, press, and press, and press. Walk 2, 3, walk 2, 3, back 2, 3, 4. Heel, step, turn, step, heel, step, press, and press, and press. And that's closer to the speed. I think. 32 count lead in. Bob Marley, Three Little Birds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right step, right, left step, left, back, 2, 3. Heel step, turn step, heel step, press and press, and press. Basic forward, back it up, right, 2, 3. Heel right, turn right, press and press, and press. Right step, right, back it up, right, 2, 3, 4. Heel, turn, forward, right step, right, left step, left, basic. Back it up, right, 2, 3. Keep. This is my message to you. Press and press. Basic. Back it up, 1, 2. Heels, 1, 2, 3, 4. Press forward and forward. Basic step. Back it up, 1, 2, 3. it up, right, 2, 3, heel, turn, heel, press and press, press and press. Back 1, 2, 3, heel and turn, heel, press and press, basic. Back it up, 1, 2, 3, heel, 2, 3, press and press, press and basic step. Back it up, 1, 2, 3, heel and turn, press and press, press and press, basic. Back right, 2, heel and turn, press and press, basic step. Back 1, 2, 3, heel and turn, press and press, press and press, basic. Back 1, 2, heel, and advance. That's a fun little dance with some Bob Marley.